Ready to transform your city life? Urban gardening is your ticket to fresh flavors, vibrant colors, and pure joy, right outside your door. Even in the smallest spaces, you can grow your own food and reconnect with nature. Imagine plucking basil for dinner or harvesting juicy tomatoes, grown by you in your own small space. Every leaf and fruit is a reward for your care and creativity. No backyard? No problem. Anyone can start. Just grab a pot, a seed, and a little creativity. Turn balconies, patios, or windowsills into lush, edible oases. Your green adventure starts now. Let's grow together and discover the joy of urban gardening. Ready to turn your small space into a lush, edible oasis? It all starts with picking the right plants, your secret weapon for a flourishing urban garden. Dive in with herbs and veggies that practically grow themselves. These beginner-friendly plants are tailor-made for tight spaces and city living. Meet your new green companions, basil, mint, and parsley. These all-stars are tough, adaptable, and ready to jazz up your kitchen creations. With just a little care, you'll have a steady supply of fresh flavors at your fingertips, perfect for experimenting with new recipes or adding a burst of taste to your favorite meals. When it comes to veggies, think small but mighty. Compact varieties are your best friends in the city garden. Cherry tomatoes, radishes, and lettuce are the champions of quick, space-saving harvests. They sprout up fast and keep on giving, so you'll never have to wait long for your next bite. These veggies are speedy growers, rewarding you with fresh produce before you know it. Perfect for anyone who loves instant results. If you're eager to see progress, these plants deliver. Watching your mini garden transform is both exciting and satisfying. But don't forget, light is your garden's best friend. The right amount of sunshine can turn your plants into superstars. Aim for about 6 hours of sunlight each day. Find those sunny spots and watch your plants thrive. Not enough natural light? No problem. There's a bright solution for every space. Grow lights can step in and save the day, giving your plants the energy boost they need, rain or shine. Choose plants that fit your lifestyle and your space. Whether you're a busy bee or a hands-on gardener, there's something for everyone. Take a moment to plan. Think about your schedule and your space. A little preparation goes a long way toward a thriving garden. Soon, you'll be savoring meals made with your own homegrown herbs and veggies. There's nothing quite like the taste of success, fresh from your urban garden. The right containers and soil are vital for a thriving urban garden. Choose containers that fit your space and allow for proper drainage. Pots, hanging baskets, and window boxes are excellent options for small areas. They maximize space and provide flexibility in arranging your garden layout. When it comes to soil, quality matters. Use a good potting mix designed for container gardening. This mix provides the necessary nutrients and ensures proper drainage, which is crucial for healthy plant growth. Adding compost to your soil can further enhance its fertility, giving your plants a nutrient-rich environment to flourish. Consider the material of your containers as well. Lightweight options like plastic or fabric pots are easy to move and rearrange as needed. If aesthetics are important, ceramic or terracotta pots offer a more decorative touch, though they may be heavier and less portable. Creating the right soil environment will set the foundation for your plant's success. Regularly check your pots for proper drainage and ensure your soil stays moist but not waterlogged. With the right containers and soil, your urban garden will be well on its way to producing a bountiful harvest. Sunlight and watering are the lifeblood of your urban garden. Without these two critical elements, your plants simply cannot thrive. Most edible plants require ample sunlight, so place your garden in the sunniest spot available. This ensures they get the energy they need to grow strong and healthy. South-facing windows or balconies are ideal, but if that's not possible, consider using grow lights to provide the necessary light. Grow lights can mimic natural sunlight and are a great alternative for indoor gardens. Watering is another critical aspect of plant care. It's essential to understand the watering needs of your plants to avoid common pitfalls. The key is to keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. This balance is crucial for the health of the plant roots. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can cause plants to wilt and die. Both extremes can be detrimental to your garden. A good rule of thumb is to water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. This simple test can help you maintain the right moisture level. Different plants have different water needs, so it's important to research the specific requirements of each plant in your garden. This knowledge will help you cater to each plant's unique needs. Herbs generally need less water than vegetables, so be mindful of their individual needs. Understanding these differences can make a big impact on your garden's success. Using self-watering pots can help maintain consistent moisture levels, especially for busy gardeners. These pots are designed to provide a steady supply of water to the plants. Proper sunlight and watering will ensure your plants remain healthy and productive. These two elements are the foundation of a thriving garden. Pay attention to their growth and adjust your care routine as needed. Regular monitoring can help you catch any issues early. With these essentials mastered, your urban garden will thrive, providing you with fresh herbs and vegetables all season long. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the beauty of a well-maintained garden. Maximizing your space is key to a successful urban garden. Vertical gardening is an excellent technique for small areas. It involves growing plants upwards using trellises, shelves, or hanging systems. This method not only saves space but also creates an eye-catching display of greenery. Microgreens are another fantastic option for tight spaces. These young vegetable greens are harvested just after the first leaves develop. They grow quickly and can be planted densely, providing a tasty and nutritious addition to salads and sandwiches. All you need is a shallow tray and some seeds to get started. Consider using multi-tiered plant stands to organize your garden. This allows you to grow a variety of plants in a small footprint. You can also mix and match containers of different shapes and sizes to create an attractive and efficient garden layout. Experimenting with different growing techniques will help you make the most of your available space. Be creative and don't be afraid to try new methods. With a bit of innovation, even the smallest area can become a productive and beautiful garden. Regular harvesting and maintenance are crucial for a healthy urban garden. Harvest herbs frequently to encourage new growth. Snip the leaves when they reach a desirable size, but avoid cutting more than a third of the plant at a time. This practice ensures your herbs remain productive and vigorous. For vegetables, pick them at their peak ripeness. This not only ensures the best flavor but also encourages the plant to produce more. Use sharp scissors or pruners to avoid damaging the plant. Regular harvesting prevents overcrowding and allows your garden to flourish. Maintenance involves more than just harvesting. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves to keep your plants healthy. Check for pests regularly and address any infestations promptly. Organic solutions like neem oil or insecticidal soap can help control pests without harming the environment. Maintaining your garden requires dedication and attention to detail. By staying proactive, you'll keep your plants healthy and productive. With each successful harvest, you'll gain confidence and experience, making you a more skilled gardener over time. Starting an urban garden is a rewarding endeavor. It offers a chance to connect with nature, enjoy fresh produce, and develop a new skill. Remember, every gardener starts somewhere, and the journey is just as important as the destination. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. Gardening is a process of trial and error, and each challenge brings valuable lessons. Embrace the opportunity to grow alongside your plants, and soon you'll be reaping the fruits of your labor. Encourage friends and family to join you in your gardening adventure. Sharing your successes and challenges with others can make the experience even more enjoyable. Plus, you might inspire someone else to start their own garden. So roll up your sleeves and get started. Your urban garden awaits, ready to provide you with a bounty of fresh herbs and vegetables. With patience and dedication, you'll soon discover the joys of growing your own food right in the heart of the city. Happy gardening!